Zhongshan Patoly Technology Company Limited was established in 2009. We are the manufacturer specialized in thermal energy products, gas water heater, gas boiler, gas stove, and humidifier, which is a collection of research and development, production, sale, and service, and undertake OEM and ODM order. Patoly has now become one of the largest gas water heater, gas boiler manufacturers, an annual production capacity of 300,000 pieces. As one of the pioneers of gas water heater and gas boiler manufacturers in China, Patoly's team has more than 10 years' experience and technology in small home appliances, presence of the highest technological standard in gas appliance industry with first-class manufacturing crafts skill at the lowest labor cost. Technology innovation is the key for Patoly to maintain its persistent competition, and also the basic to satisfy personal need of all and each consumer. Quality control has been extended on whole process of production, starting from in-specification on raw materials, components and parts, online inspection, to prior to packaging inspection. In order to synchronize manufacturing and testing, we continuous introduction advanced inspection equipment. We not only obtained the CE and ROS, but also ISO 9001 certification. With quality products and competitive prices, our products are exported to the Middle East, America, Africa, South America market, and so on. We always pursue not only to improve the quality and value of goods, but also to reflect customer satisfaction. We believe that your satisfaction is our greatest happiness.